We're about to go see my dogs. There's Dixie the Jack Russell and Cody the Maltese. They're about ready to get out. Get back, get back, get back. Say hey to YouTube. Yeah. Come here. What is it, Dixie? That's Dixie. And this is Cody. Hey, Cody. Hey, Cody. Yeah. Chill out, Dixie. Chill out. Chill. Relax. Go meditate. Oh, watch this. Alright, hold on. Dixie, sit. Good girl. Now watch this. This is really cool. Dixie, get in your bed. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. See, she can open her door. That's pretty awesome. Alright, this is Chicken Leg 58's dogs. Well, Dixie's mine. Cody's my mom's. I will see you next time.